ponderosa pine forest is the largest contiguous pine forest in the world. It houses and protects many of our watersheds and precious water resources. Now, a healthy forest is high in biodiversity, meaning the variety of life within the system, like plants, animals, and microorganisms. Now, you may not know the other signs of a healthy forest, but you should. In fact, fire is a healthy part of a forest system. A healthy forest is resilient, which means it can return to a state of normalcy after a period of distress, much quicker than an unhealthy forest system. The resiliency of the forest depends on the biodiversity and adaptability of all of the parts in the system. Now, a restored forest is highly resilient compared to an unhealthy forest system, like a dog hair forest, for instance, where all the trees are very close together, and there's an understory which catches fire and creates hotter, bigger blazes that eventually will clear the stand. Park-like forests are less competitive, which means that the plants and animals are competing less for the same resources within the system. Not only that, the trees stand further apart, so when there is a forest fire, it does not catch the long-standing trees that have been there. Logging and fire suppression have changed the structure of our forests extensively across the US. Unhealthy forest systems experience high severity fires, which can lead to a stand-replacing fire, hydrophobic soils, flooding, and damage to property. Now, prescribed fires, forest thinning, and forest restructuring are efforts to reintroduce fire into the system. Prescribed fires are low severity, which actually results in vigorous plant response and low mortality rates among the stand. Especially in times of drought, it is imperative to understand the role that fires play in our ecosystem and to understand what a healthy forest looks like.